Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. People have been asking me around how can they use stable diffusion for generating, amazing super duper AI images locally on their Macs. So I found this amazing software that you just install it locally on your MacBook, and it works perfectly with M1 chips. Mine is an M1 Mac. I haven't had the chance to try it on M2, but if you tried it and it works, please let me know. But yeah, let's just take a look at it and see how it works. You can download it by clicking here, and then this is the DMG file. This is like the latest version that you can download. Okay, that's going to be interesting. So let's just copy it in the application and DiffusionBee. So when you start it for the first time, it downloads the model and it takes some time. Okay, let's wait till it finishes downloading. Okay, here it says, please make sure you have around 8 gigabytes of free space for the models. So be aware of that. My MacBook is Apple M1, 16 gigabyte, and my OS is Ventura 13. I just updated it last week. Okay, now that we have it installed, we can just give it a prompt and it will generate a photo for us, an image for us. But we can get some prompt ideas from here, and I also recommend you to do it, because this way you can get better results. These are some of the images that people generated using stable diffusion. Let's try making something similar. Okay, let's actually get this one. Wow, it looks amazing. Okay, so this is the input that it gave. Oh, well, they have generated this one with Midjourney. Let's just get this part of it. And let's try to generate it using stable diffusion. Giant beast terrorizing a city. Hyper detailed. Greg Rutkowski. John Grenier Eldritch. Those are interesting keywords. Let's see what we get. Wow, the result is interesting. You see how different it is from this one here? Well, I like this one more, but this is also not bad. It's kind of cool. Let's actually save this one. Okay, let's save it here, the beast. Okay. Now let's try the image to image. So let's use the image that we just generated. So this one basically can change the style of your painting. For instance, if you look at here in the GitHub page of the software, you can see that it just added painting by Van Gogh and then it changed it to this. Well, let's say painting by Monet, and let's see what do we get. So this French painter, probably you know him. This is the style of his paintings. And let's see how stable diffusion changes this. So DifussionBee is the name of the software. Okay, it totally changed it. It totally changed it to another image. But yeah, this is the result we get. Let's actually choose another image. Well, this Venom that I generated. And let's use this one. It'll take a while, around, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. Well, it's the same style, but it doesn't have to do anything with the image that I gave. Okay, maybe through the options I can change some stuff. How closely to stick to the input image lower number makes the AI do more changes. Okay, I wanted to stick to the image like a lot, so let's try it that way. And how closely to follow your prompt. Lower number gives the AI more creativity. I wanted to follow my prompt more. Okay, now let's try it again. Okay, basically didn't change anything. What if I put it on 40 and this one on 10? Okay, this one's better. This one's better. Okay, as you can see, if you play with the hyperparameters and the numbers, then you'll get the result that you want. Let's now try the inpainting, and let's choose this one so we can add something to the image. Like I can, okay, let me increase the stroke size and then add here. What do I want here? I want some mountains. Let's see. Cyberpunk mountains. As you can see here, this is the image to image that we just tried. You can give it a drawing and then it'll change it to a photorealistic image. But inpainting is like adding something. Like here you can see it added a dog to the image, a dog sitting on a bench. But let's see, what do we get? And then after that we will try the outpainting that adds something. It increases like the image and the background. Can add more stuff to an image. Well, it didn't really add anything. But let's add this part of it. For example, a Joker, a beast with a Joker head. Apparently the inpainting needs more work. It doesn't work the way I want it, or at least I was expecting. Okay, this is much better. Still, it's not like a Joker, but at least we could change the face of this beast. And I would actually like to save this one. New beast. Okay, and here we add our new beast. And then let's erase the background. Let's change it to something beautiful. Let's see how they did it here. Painting a wooden bookcase. Make that one. Okay, so I would say green nature full of flowers. Okay, cool. As you can see, it added flowers and nature around it. You can play around and make very amazing images using this tool, DiffusionBee. So let me know if you had any questions in the comments. Hope you've enjoyed this video.